Hi ladies, it's Lee from Woman in Disguise, and today I wanted to talk to you about the number one thing I get asked, which is really about synthetic wigs. And people are always surprised and they assume that to have beautiful, natural looking hair, that it has to be real hair. So I want to put some challenges to that assumption because I'm a big fan of synthetic wigs, and I'll go through some of those reasons why. But first I have to start with the caveat. I think synthetic wigs get a bad rap because people think about the Halloween, costumey, super shiny, kind of plastically looking look. So what you have to do, and whether this is with real hair or synthetic hair, is you have to get to the right quality level. Like the synthetic wigs we carry at Woman in Disguise, they are not your Halloween costume wigs. So it's very natural, beautiful synthetic hair. But once you're there and you have that great quality synthetic hair, there's really some great advantages to having a synthetic wig, which is number one for me is care and styling. So really the best thing about synthetic wigs is that when you put them on and they have this little bit of curl or a lot of curl or they're straight, whatever that style is really the shape the hair is going to maintain even after you wash it. And care for a synthetic wig is really about a 2-minute little wash in the bathroom sink, and you can watch a video on that as well. And you really kind of a shake and go and let it dry, and it's really going to dry right into this style, which is wonderful because I'm a low maintenance kind of person when it comes to my hair. So I love the ease of synthetic hair. It also, it's really easy to travel with it. And that was really important to me in my prior corporate life when I would travel with my hair to make sure that I always looked amazing for all of my business meetings, especially those international trips where I had to roll off the plane and get straight to that meeting. Wow, my wigs just, they put the icing on the cake in terms of being ready for those meetings when you didn't have time to really go freshen up. And they travel super well. Now, one of the things you want to understand about synthetic wigs is that as easy as they are to care for and the fact that they kind of maintain the style, that limits a little bit of the flexibility in terms of what you do with the hair. So you can't use heat on synthetic wigs. And what you don't want to do is buy a synthetic wig that's curly and think you're going to be able to put a flat iron in it and straighten it. So what it gives you an ease of kind of maintenance and maintaining that style, it also limits a little bit in flexibility. But in some of the other videos we talk about how cap styles can give you different flexibility. Like this one's a lace front, which means I can pull this off my forehead and I have a really natural looking hairline. So there's other elements that come in to giving you flexibility in how you can style and play with your wig. So before you write synthetic off, please, please, please understand it is just an amazing option to have beautiful, just natural looking, ready to wear hair at your fingertips. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me know if you have questions, comments, anything that you want me to cover. I would love to do that. And also check out our website at womanindisguise.com. Thanks.